So I got the servo motor in from a customer. Didn't mention what's wrong, but I'd say this thing looks a tad rough. Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Over here. Yeah. They're not supposed to sound like that. That's not good. So I guess it's time to retire this motor. Time for a new one. Oops, that's not a cheap motor. That's a 142mm motor. No banana for scale. I'm at work. There you are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. A day in the life of my work. Alright. Have an awesome day further. Take care. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.